Aloha class, this is Brother Castillo. I want to welcome you to week 2, to lesson 2 of organizational effectiveness. This week we're going to be talking about leadership style and trust. By way of an agenda, I'll first recap our first week of lesson 1. We'll discuss the lesson 2 objectives next. Then I'll go over the assignments that are due for lesson 2, a quick word about the group sign-up instructions, and one final thought. In lesson 1, our intent was to build relationships with class members, getting comfortable interacting online, as well as communicating in an online environment. By way of suggestions, I just want to remind everyone to stay on top of your assignments. You'll get into the rhythm of the class as you understand that you have assignments due midweek and the end of the week. And if you follow these instructions closely, you should do well in the class. Our lesson 2 objectives, as we talk about leadership style and trust, is we'll examine different leadership styles and how effective leadership is implemented. And we'll look at the pros and cons of trust within an organization. The assignments that are due for lesson 2 by Tuesday, 11 p.m. Mountain Time, your accountability project proposal is due. Your case reading for the Ricardo Semler case is also due. Complete your readings in the 7 Habits book, pages 54 to 101, and then also complete your group sign-up, which I'll be talking about more in the next slide. Due Saturday at 11 p.m. Mountain Time is your case study discussion. So for the Ricardo Semler case, there are 6 questions you'll need to answer, and then you'll post these to the case study discussion board. There's also the reading discussion that you'll need to post your answers to your readings from the 7 Habits book. And my suggestion is that you post early in the week. There's also a self-assessment that'll be due. As far as the group sign-up applies here, what I'm asking you to do is ignore the lesson 2 instructions to sign up. There's some instructions online, so ignore those. I will be sending a separate set of instructions on Monday about how to sign up for your groups. It'll be pretty easy, and there's a link that I'll be sending out. Now, one final thought I'd like to share with everyone. It's a favorite of mine, coming from our late prophet, President Thomas S. Monson, and that's to never let a problem to be solved become more important than a person to be loved. Whether in business, church, social, with family members and friends, I think this is always great advice. All right, everyone, have a great week. I'll see you online. Bye-bye.